Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Aditya, and today we are diving headfirst into Selenium. Selenium is a powerful automation framework that's widely used for testing web applications. It's designed to make your life easier by automating repetitive tasks and ensuring your web application works flawlessly across different browsers and platforms. In this video, we'll explore the three main tools that Selenium offers: Selenium IDE, Selenium WebDriver, and Selenium Grid. Each of these tools has its unique features and use cases, and by the end of this video, you'll have a strong understanding of how they can help you in your automation journey. So let's get started. So first up is Selenium IDE. Before anything, how do you use that? Well, on your browser, you have extension for Selenium IDE on your Chrome store, and once you install it, you'll have an application that will open up like the one on the bottom right. And using that, what you can do is you can record your activity over the browser and replay them, so that exactly what you did on the browser when the recording was on will be repeated by an automation, um, by Selenium IDE. So that's what Selenium IDE is all about. Mm, the biggest advantage is that it has minimal learning curve, or I would say zero learning curve. You just hit record button and then you perform the activity and it's done. Well, it's not all that good. There are some hard restrictions or limitations, and the most prominent one is that it cannot be used to generate test data. So if I record an activity of filling a form, it will fill the form again with that exact same values. And every time there is a different form, the point is that you just cannot generate test data using Selenium IDE, which limits the possibilities and leads to low scalability. So that's that. We need something better. And that brings us to Selenium driver. So coming from Selenium IDE, I would say this has a much stronger learning curve. It requires you to have a knowledge in programming language, but the good thing is that it will solve all the limitations we had. It's highly scalable, maintainable, and you can generate test data every time the automation is running dynamically, or depending on, just do the generation process itself when you're filling the data. So that support is also there. um, Thinking about good things, it's supported on uh, all the prominent programming languages that are used for development, be it C Sharp in .NET, Python, Ruby, JavaScript, and many more. Also, the good thing is that the Selenium support is cross browsers, so you can run your automation separately on Chrome, on Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, and many other browsers. Um, the challenge remains that it's complex and difficult to use, and it takes some time when you're coming to it as a new person. But that's that. And personally, I did see the issues where Chrome driver and the Chrome version compatibility causes issues which are not nice when you are experiencing them. But again, the good thing is Selenium community is huge and highly matured, as in, if there is anything that's causing you an issue, it's not happening to you for the first time. It's already been done, resolved, and the answers lie on the internet. So that's a very good thing to have. And lastly, Selenium Grid allows or provides you the support to run your automation tests parallelly in different machines, and also it does support that you run your automation tests on separate browsers and separate browser versions parallelly, so thereby just fastening up the process or time it takes to run automation test cases for to cover the entire functionality of your service or your web application. What you can do is create test groups and run them parallelly, and the support is provided by Selenium Grid. Personally, I haven't worked with it, so I'm not sure how well the support is, but that's there. And that's a wrap on our headfirst Selenium journey. I hope you found this overview of Selenium IDE, WebDriver, and the Grid helpful and inspiring for your automation projects. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more such tech tutorials and insights. Feel free to leave any comments or questions below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for watching and happy testing!